field. Mashiyane and Zwane, good players. Anybody could love to have them. They are young guys that are very, very, they are good players with a lot of potential. However,
and natural talent.
That's most of the South African players. You just need, that is why I said you just need to make sure that conditioned they are well, they are focused, they are disciplined, and they can play within the structure, because South Africa don't have to teach them how to play football. However, I said to them also, they're in a similar position that they haven't been playing. They haven't been getting game time where they were in their previous club. And then when they come here, they find they came to a place where I was looking for players that are ready. Unfortunately, it took them long. And because we loved them, we liked them, we know their potential, we gave them opportunity, but I had to make sure that I have a balance of winning games while I'm giving people opportunity, but I must balance games. And I spoke with them. I called them in my office, both of them. They know what I say to them. You have their number or you meet them somewhere, ask them, and I said straight to them, and hopefully they took my words, and
what
hopefully
did you
I
say
can
to them?
meet to them.
I don't have your time to phone them. What did you say to them?
That one I'm still not gonna say it, because it was between me and them. But they know that next time when I can meet them and they're available, I'll take them.
Did you stress to them that reputation counts for nothing?
They know. That is why I said it's like you were there. I spoke to them because I said, unfortunately,
are you agreeing with me?
We are living in a social media times.
Yeah.
And sometimes as supporters, as fans, we have our favorites. And sometimes these youngsters, whenever they see those numbers, they're coming and our numbers hammering coach because they are not playing Robert, they think, no, then I'm good, but Robert maybe doesn't like me. But Robert is looking at you in the field of play, at training there. You have to be early there. You have to show the coach that you want it. I always told them, my players, that I'm not here to coach your attitude, your commitment, and your discipline. That is not me. I'm here to come and make sure that the team is ready. I'm preparing the team for the match. So a lot of our players are struggling with what they hear outside, and they come with it at training. You'll see some players coming and say, just because he was in the front page or he was, and I'm not saying them, but I'm saying in general, there are a lot of things that are happening, and that is why our players, they will forever remain as potentials. And then,
so help me out here, coach. Also, the very limited time that we do have, how many players are you going to be putting on the market? Just give me a number. Don't name.
The number on top of my head, maybe